Here's some smart hacks to solve small, everyday problems. Looking for a way to conveniently watch videos on your phone while sitting in a car? Just use a plastic bag. Ingenious! If you're not a chopstick pro, you can always hold them together using a napkin. Makes their use much easier. Using a straw, you can eat your yogurt without making a mess. When you buy new socks, don't throw away their plastic hooks. Check out how you can recycle them. Very useful. Empty plastic jug? Reuse it for your laundry powder. Use a rolled-up towel to put on your socks without bending over. Convenient! If the car seat doesn't have pockets, you can hang up your own. Perfect for the kids' toys. You are probably positioning artificial plants incorrectly. Do this. This way, the plants will fit perfectly into the vase. Blocked sink? If you don't have any drain cleaner, you can use a plastic bottle. Problem solved. Do you know that you can use fresh brewer's yeast as a natural fertilizer? It contains nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium that help plants grow healthier and stronger. Here is the correct way to pour canned fizzy drinks into glasses.